Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. The topic for this video is Asset Enrichment and User Login Reports in Enterprise Data Catalog. The agenda for this video is as follows. First, I will begin with an overview on Data Asset Analytics or DAA. The next topic would be DAA report types details. Then I will follow it up with the asset enrichment and user login reports. And the next topic would be a quick demo on how to generate these reports from the DAA web UI. And at the end, I will share the reference links which will be helpful to install and configure DAA and generate these reports. Moving on to the next slide. Data Asset Analytics is an industry-first metadata analytics solution which helps you to optimize data asset value with analytics on data asset inventory, its usage, enrichment, and user collaboration of your data catalog. Data Asset Analytics provides you extensive reporting and analytics dashboard capabilities which helps you in real-time storytelling for empowering custom insights on the catalog data. Data Asset Analytics helps customer to understand the visibility of the data asset usage, its inventory, enrichment, collaboration, and data value. It helps you to track the key metrics on your catalog. This data help you to monitor the activities, uncover patterns, spot the trends, and also capture the misuse and thereby improving the data value from a very high level of overview. For somebody who is a CDO or somebody who is leading the IT team and owning the data asset, it helps the businesses to answer some very basic functionality like who is using your catalog data, what is the add-on catalog adoption rate from the data assets, what are the top searches, what are the average searches per user, which catalog data or asset or module is most accessed, or how is it the data governance going on the particular data, who are the top contributors, and the subject matters that has been inferred from the various collaboration activities on the data asset, and which user groups or data sets are being accessed a lot. DA will also give information like which are the sensitive data sources, who modifies or scans these sensitive data sources, and also it helps you to understand what is the value of your catalog data and how you can see the growth in value of this catalog data. With a brief introduction on what data asset analytics does, I will move on to the next slide. There are two major components of data asset analytics. One is report types and the second is dashboards. Data Asset Analytics provides you predefined report types that you can generate on your existing datasets. Data Asset Analytics provides 12 predefined report types which you can run it on your existing dataset and preview it and then download the events on your historical data. These report run could be accessed directly from any BI tools. Data Asset Analytics also provides you out-of-the-box dashboards and metrics on user adoption, data asset inventory, data asset enrichment, user collaboration, and data value. So, in this video, I will show you how you can generate the asset enrichment report and user login reports from DAA web UI. Asset Enrichment Report. Asset Enrichment Report to view details about all the asset enrichment activities that a user performs in the catalog. The asset enrichment activities includes like business description, business term association, classification or business title association, if you do some asset certification, or if you have done the data domain association or people association. All of this asset enrichment you can see in the asset enrichment reports. you can also filter out using the asset type or the resource type or with the resource name. You can also provide the enrichment date from which you can generate the report. User login report. You can generate the user login report to view the details of the users who logged into the enterprise data catalog application, such as admin or catalog. We have filters mentioned in the left corner where you can filter it by user login date after, user login app name, user group name, and user login name. As you can see in the snapshot, you can see what is the username like test1 administrator, who are logged in at what time and date. So you can generate this report and get this information. So moving on to the next slide, I will show you a quick demo and how you can enrich the asset and see in the reports. And along with that, I will also generate the user login report. So once you logged into the LDM catalog UI, you will see discovery and data asset analytics on the top of the web UI. So once you click on the data asset analytics, you will see the dashboard, and along with that, you can click on the reports tab to generate the new reports. And in the monitoring tab, you can monitor the reports you have generated. So you can see in the dashboard, you can see the user adoption, data asset inventory, data asset enrichment, user collaboration, and data value. Now, if you want to see the asset enrichment, you can just click on the new report, click on the asset enrichment, and click on the create. So here you can provide the date from which you want to check, and along with that, you can check the asset type and resource type, and once you click on the save, you can run the report. Once you run the report, you will see in the monitoring tab the report is run, and here you can download the report logs and along with that the CSV file. So now we will do the asset enrichment and validate the same using the reports, the DAA. So as you can see, for the Oracle test resource or the Oracle resource type, I am doing the asset enrichment. So if I click on any table, say PO underscore outcome, I'm adding the business title here, displaying as outcome. I am saving this. So as you can see, we have done the asset enrichment, and now we will generate the report and validate the same using the asset enrichment report. I'm going to data asset analytics tabs. I'm going to the reports. I've already created the Oracle asset enrichment reports. So I have selected filters, resource type as Oracle, and enrichment added after 1st of the January 2024. So I'm executing the report. Now you can click on the monitoring tab here to see if it's completed. The report is completed, and you can once you click on the logs, you will see the report logs, and along with that, once you click on the file, you will see the CSV file format is downloaded. So after executing the report, you can click on the monitoring tab to validate the same. So if in the report preview, you can validate that the recent modification or the enrichment on the PO outcome has came as soon as we have done the enrichment. So you don't have to do the reindexing to get the data in the data asset analytics database. So it will be done automatically as soon as do the enrichment. So you can also download the CSV file which will have all the details related to asset enrichment. And you can also download the CSV file and validate the changes in the CSV file. And similarly, to check the user login, you can create the new report and add the filters and get the report for the user login details. Once you click on the new report, you can click on the user logins and click on the create. Here you can provide the filter as needed and generate the reports. So I have already created one report, so we will execute that report and see the output. Once the report is executed, you can go to monitoring tab and see the report preview. Like you can see who is the user and what is the app login name. This is the admin, this is the catalog UI, and if you scroll down, you can see there are a couple of users, test and test1, who logged into the admin UI. And you can download the report logs, and you can also download the reports using in the CSV format. For your information, I have gathered a couple of KB articles or the documents on the portal so you can get the more information from there. So here is the KB article which will help you to enable the data asset analytics for an existing catalog service, and there are a couple of frequently asked questions which are all mentioned in the DAA, this KB articles, post which you can refer to the data asset analytics. This is a guide which you can refer, and how you can refresh the DAA repository contents. You can refer this KB, and also if you face any issues in the DAA, you can change the log level of DAA. For that, you can refer this KB. You can change the tracing level of the DAA service, and you can get more information from that. In the next slide, we can. And in the feedback, we would love to hear from you. Please reach out to us at supportvideos@informatica.com. And if you have any queries, you can also comment in the video. Thank you.